Hello! So we're doing another update video at Lafayette Square Mall. February 1st of 2022. You can see they took out the vending machine, or the crane machine that used to exist there. There might be some work being done inside this anchor store here. But yeah, it seems like they're slowly working on the anchor stores. This church here looks like it has been closed and moved out. This church was like really interesting though. They had like so many different things going on in there. The seats are still there. And like the anchor store on the other side of the mall, you can hear some work being done inside this former Macy's. One of the interesting things is they've turned the lights back on for the Macy's. So when it is early in the morning or at nighttime, it's lit up on the outside, the arched entrances. Then you got this Coke vending machine just right in the middle right here. Huh. I don't remember if this was boarded up like that. It might have been. I'm not sure if I've shown this before, but this was like the play area. Like how that turtle's just chilling on its back like that. And yeah, CBD and things. They taped off this area. And they taped off the area where the fountains used to be. And the inside of here looks like it's more lit up too. Like they turn more of the lights on. So you can see all of the bizarre things they have inside of it. So, who knows what they're going to be doing with that place. They should just open it up again like that. Must have overlooked this, but they have one of these here. Yeah, let's try again. Get a little better spin here. Yeah, it looks like the food court area has opened up again since the last video. And this is an interesting thing. I don't know if I saw this before either, but pretty sure this was just installed. But it has projector area. It's like they have this projector against this former entrance to this anchor store. It looks like they would be able to project a movie or something on that screen. I'm not sure if they're doing it out in the white area below where the entrance was, but kind of reminds me of the one in Washington Square Mall. But yeah, that'll do it for now. Till next time, see you around.